Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the model questions of chapter wise, that is coordinate geometry. Will continue. One more questions. Fourth question, guys. So what is given? In which quadrant the point B that divides the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 5, B 5, 2 in the ratio 2:3 lies? Okay. So what is given? In which quadrant the point P that divides the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 5, B 5, 2 in the ratio 2:3 lies? Okay, let's start. So first take down the given points, guys. A minus 2, minus 5 and B 5, 2 and ratio is 2:3. Okay, the point P lies in, we need to find the value that the P lies in which quadrant. Okay, so this is a line where A, we have to take a rough figure. Point A, point B and point P lies which divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so what is your formula? Px, y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so here my A equal to minus 2 minus 5, B equal to 5, 2 in the ratio 2:3. So substitute the values and simplify, guys. Find the value of P x, y. So what we get? We got x value as fraction, that is positive value, and y value as negative. So x is positive, y is negative. In which quadrant? Guys, x is positive, y is negative. Lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, lies in this quadrant. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.